this, I'm like, oh, is she there? I wonder if it's back.
Yep, she's great.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Where's the Band-Aid box? Oh, I got one right here on the back of the rig if you need more.
Hold it up like this. Oh, you took the captain's. Nice.
Nice pick, absolutely.
Captain 2.
You guys want some pinwheels?
Yeah.
There you go. How many got in there? One more. How many more? One more?
One more. They're like straws.
What do you guys say?
Thank you.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
One more
Mitchell.
over
Mitchell. I won the
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's easy. Just Veronica.
I'll try to drop you some things locker.
Oh, there you go. She's like, cool. You can't see my picture. We have some really good ones that are pick up the table. Ryan. Yeah, I'll send it to you.
So how's school?
Here, I'll go with Mitchell. Hold this. Okay, Mitchell, I'm coming with you. Okay, turn and smile.
Hold on, hold on.
Now look at here. You get to look right here.
Oh, God.
But guess who's the captain?
Huh?
That would be me. top dog.
Have you been up here before in a fire truck?
Never.
This is what Amy wants to be when he grows up. Hi, Amy.
I'll go along right now. Before I grow up.
Before you grow up, huh? Yeah.
You can't take him. He's ours.
34.
34.
What does that mean, 34? What call is that? Fire at the colony?
Hey, look over
Somebody
here.
just
911.
dropped dead.
Oh, Amy! Amy, look over there. Smile at Nick.
He won't let you forget that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What do you think about this big race? You're the winner, Norma. Norma, you gotta wear the hat. Oh, you can be captain. I was captain. You can be captain. Captain's coolest of all.
I can scan on anybody's phone.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay, Nick, get a picture of Captain Norma. That's a good one. Look at you're on camera.